Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can edit view only and comment only file in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and if you want to edit view only or comment only file, the first thing you have to do is selecting the file. So for example, I'm going to select this file, and then we can click on this three dots button on the file. Then there will be some options for us, and we have to select manage access right here. And then we have to edit the general access. So wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and as you can see that my file is still restricted, so we have to change the setting. Just tap on this option, then tap on this option. Then if you want to make it can be viewed or can be commented by everyone or anyone, you can click on anyone with the link right here. Then just wait guys. Okay, and you can set up right here. If you want to make it view only, you can select viewer. But if you want to select commenter, you can select commenter right here. And then for me, I'm just going to make it view only. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can edit view only and comment only file in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel.